Hello everyone, welcome to the lecture. Today we are going to see a business model canvas of Tata Motors. Tata Motors is one of the India's leading automotive companies and understand how it creates and captures value across its ecosystem. Welcome to the business model canvas presentation. Customer segments. Tata Motors serves four major customer segments. First, mass market buyers who purchase passenger cars, EVs like Tiago, Nexon, Punch, Harrier, and Safari for everyday mobility. Second, commercial fleets such as trucks and buses, which operates according to the need to run their business. Third, premium and luxury customers are served through Jaguar and Land Rover with executive SUVs and performance sedan. Finally, the government bodies and public transport agencies use Tata's electric and CNG buses, school buses, and other fleet solutions for mass mobility. Value proposition. Tata Motors deliver several strong value proposition. It offers affordable mobility with low to mid pricing that fits price sensitive Indian buyers. Its portfolio is very diverse, covering cars, SUVs, commercial vehicles, buses in one roof. The company is also a leader in electric vehicles with models like Tata Nexon EV, Tiger EV, and upcoming Curve EV focusing on range and safety. In addition, Tata emphasizes sustainability through reduced emissions and alternative fuels and greener manufacturing. And it builds trust with high safety ratings and reliable after sales support. Channels. Tata Motors reaches its customer through multiple channels. Physical dealerships across India, including Tata Motors, Jaguar Land Rover networks, are the core touch points for sales and service. Digital marketing on platforms like Instagram, YouTube, along with influencer-led EV launches helps build brand awareness. Online channels such as company websites, e-bookings, mobile apps, and partner platforms support research and bookings. Auto show and trade events are also used to showcase new models and technologies. Customer relationships. To manage customer relationships, Tata Motors combines offline and online approaches. Dealers-based assistants offer test drives, finance support, and service bookings at every touch point. Digital tools like apps, online service scheduling, feedback, portals, and live chat help maintain continuous engagement. Programs like loyalty and exchange encourage existing customers to upgrade, especially to newer or electric models. Community and corporate social responsibility initiatives, including sustainable campaigns, skill development, and safe driving programs, strengthen the emotional connect with brand. So Tata Motors revenue streams. Let us focus on the revenue stream. Tata Motor follows a diversified revenue model. The main revenue comes from vehicle sales across passenger cars, SUVs, commercial vehicles, buses, and trucks. Premium revenue flow from Jaguar Land Rover vehicles and related services. After sales service such as maintenance, repairs, warranty work, and genuine spares and stable income. The company also earns through financial service like loan and insurance tie-ups and through spares and accessories and extended warranty packages. Key activities. The key activities of Tata Motors reflect a full-scale automotive player. Manufacturing happens across multiple plants in India and global JLR facilities. R&D and engineering focus on EV platforms, improving internal combustion engine, ADAS features, and connected car technologies. The supply chain management ensures procurement, logistics, and vendor coordination which runs smoothly. Key resources. Tata Motors is powered by strong key resources. These include its manufacturing facilities like skilled workforce, research and development centers, and an extensive dealer and service network. One of the most important resource is trusted Tata Group brand, which acts as a strategic moat and directly supports customer acquisition and loyalty. A digitally enabled ecosystem further strengthens its competitive advantage. Key partnership. The company also relies on a wide network of partnerships. Component suppliers provide steel, aluminum, electronics, tires, and batteries for its vehicles. Banks and NBFCs enable retail financing and insurance solution for buyers. EV and technology partners support battery and development things. Government bodies influence emission norms, EV incentives, and public fleet contracts, while Jaguar Land Rover contributes shared R&D, global platforms, and premium brand strength. Cost structure. Finally, let us look at the cost structure. Major fixed costs arise from manufacturing plants, machinery, and tooling. Major things. These are the major things. The significant spending goes into procurement, logistics for raw materials, components, and freight. There is a continuous investment in R&D and product development, especially for electric vehicles, safety, and software. Maintaining an after-sales network, including service staff, spares, and warranty, also adds to cost. Overall, Tata Motors operates a cost safety or cost heavy scale driven model using its size integration within the Tata Group and growing high margin through electric vehicle Jaguar Land Rover segments to remain profitable in the long term. So in summary, the business model canvas of Tata Motors shows how the company balance mass commercial and luxury segments which builds value through electric vehicles and safety and support its all with strong resource and partnership. Thank you for watching this overview of Tata Motors business model canvas.